Namaste friends. The first 2 weeks of September this year has brought some very significant planetary changes to all of us. On September 13th, the great benefic Jupiter has turned retrograde. That is, it has started orbiting backwards and entered Capricorn sign again, its sign of debilitation. And on September 5th, Mars, the planet of drive, ambition, aggression, and impulse, if you may add, has entered Virgo, a sign that it is not entirely comfortable in. Events which happen, whether they directly involve us or happen around us, are all products of different planetary positions and the energy interactions that they cause with each other. In this video, we will talk about a very important and interesting planetary combination that has formed because of these latest planetary movements. This combination, my friends, has always produced astounding events in the past. As usual, I shall present the importance of this planetary arrangement with evidence from the past. We will see what kind of events to anticipate, and does this combination affect us personally, and if so, how? Stay connected. See you on the other side. Welcome back, friends. I am Satish Menon, an astrologer, Vastu consultant, and a life guide. I talk on topics related to astrology and spirituality. If you are new to my channel, please do take out time to subscribe to the channel. Some of the past months have been testimonials to the predictions I could do in the previous videos of mine. Like the video I did on Rahu and Ketu and the vaccine possibility. With proper historical evidence, we had seen how medical developments and especially vaccines are linked to Rahu and Ketu transits. And not surprisingly then, we have witnessed the largest vaccination drive this world has ever witnessed. Again, the video I did regarding the rise of the economy and the stock markets this year from Feb of 2021 onwards. Remember, I did this video way back in the first week of May last year. So, whenever Jupiter and Rahu make a combination, it augurs well in terms of positivity for investors in stock markets. Of course, not many people agreed then, and understandably so. Such was the situation then. But planetary combinations don't go wrong. They don't lie. From Feb of this year till now, markets have jumped up to 4,000 points on Nifty alone. And that is huge. The most important video, however, was probably on when this global pandemic will end. This I had released in the month of May this year when India was struggling through the second wave. I had clearly mentioned about the third wave possibilities emerging with a proper timeline also. So in very simple and straightforward words, there is still more pain. Around August end and September, they will again conjoin closely. This is a period to be careful. Maybe some wave in some part of the world is the event waiting to happen. United States and few countries did and are experiencing the third wave now as we speak. So as long as the mentioned planetary combinations stay, they are in play, one has to be careful. You can watch the video here or click on the link in the description box below. Exactly the same way, my friends, another important planetary combination has taken place in the skies now, which we must be aware of, which has always had both environmental and personal impact on us. On September 5th, Mars entered the sign of Virgo, and it immediately completes an energy triangle. The trine that it creates with Saturn and Rahu, which are already positioned in Capricorn and Taurus respectively. So what does it mean? Why is the movement of Mars so important to be noted for us? To begin with, a trine or a triangle formation is very powerful combination of energy always, even in personal horoscopes. And in this case, the nature of the planets that we have come in the trine are very malefic. But the most important part being that Saturn and Rahu are strong enemy planets to Mars, and therefore this triangle formation here signals instability, sudden challenges, violence, accidents, stress, scandals, etc. Let's look at some historical evidence when they have formed some angular connection in the past and the events that have born out of such connections. We don't have to go too much in the past really to check this out. Mars, Rahu and Saturn came into a trine this very year in 2021. The date was Feb 25th and the trine remained active till about 15th April. You can see that it is roughly the same time when the second wave hit the world, especially India. Now let's go back in time, few years back to 2014. Rahu, Saturn and Mars got conjunct in Libra in the year 2014, especially during the period Feb-April. Now Libra belongs to Venus, the significator of luxury, hospitality, aviation, etc. And Rahu presents the mystery, whereas Saturn and Mars add to the malefic power. We all know Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 simply and mysteriously disappeared with 227 passengers on board on 8 March 2014 when it was en route to Beijing Airport. Violent events, injuries, plane crashes, landslides, accidents are events that commonly occur when Rahu, Saturn, Mars are in play. A travel back in time again to 2006, the month of May and June brought Rahu in trine with Saturn plus Mars conjunction. The massive earthquake in Java, Indonesia, killed more than 5,500 people and rendered many homeless. Again, May 1998 brought into forefront the riots in Indonesia that resulted in tragic mass violence of very high levels. Yet again, Rahu was in trine to Saturn plus Mars at that time too. In fact, these planets, when they occupy the signs of Aries and Leo, that represents government and administration, military, etc. It is exactly during this time when India conducted a series of nuclear tests at Pokhran during May 1998. Rahu is the planet of innovation and Mars is firepower. Interestingly, it is during this year itself that the infamous political sex scandal involving President Bill Clinton and White House intern Monica Lewinsky came out in the open. As you see, friends, these years back in time are testimony to the fact that whenever Saturn, Rahu and Mars have associated in a conjunction or in a trine, they have given rise to some major events around us. Not only around us, they do influence us too directly. This combination appeared in the skies from September 5th onwards.
In fact, immediately after Mars entered Virgo and activated this triangle, news of Chinese property giant Evergrande being on the brink of collapse has come out. Apparently, the news that the Evergrande Group is under a crushing debt of $300 billion could have huge implications not on just Chinese markets but to global markets also. One can easily notice the impact it has on certain leading stock indices already. This economic shock comes as the planets Rahu, Mars and Saturn occupy the Artha Trikona or the triangular houses of finance and wealth this time.
Many people who are friends and those who consult me have reported that they have experienced challenges at workplaces, in their personal lives, relations. They feel more stressed, feel more irritated than usual, have had accidents, felt like going back to their addictions once this combination has appeared. And rightly so, that's the case because that's the power of this particular triangle. Do all of us get affected personally? Now that's a question. No, not necessarily. But if you have a moon sign or ascendant sign of either Capricorn, Taurus or Virgo, then it means that moon also becomes part of this triangle, leading to mental stress and disturbances during this time. Especially if you have a moon sign of Capricorn and Taurus, then moon is already badly afflicted and this period can be very tough personally for you. How long will this period last? Now, there's the good news. This energy combination shall be on only till October 23rd. That is when Mars finally moves out of this triangle and it will bring some relief. Till then, it is necessary to be very careful with your moods, choice of words, keep your awareness levels high and avoid confrontational situations, including chances of stray accidents for some of you. For a personal consultation regarding your horoscope, you can reach me out through my website asksatishlifeguide.com or mail me directly at satishlifeguide@gmail.com. Do share the video with your near and dear ones. Would love to know your thoughts through your comments and feedback. Take very good care of yourself. See you again with a new video very soon. Thank you for watching.